Neog. Welcome back to my channel ENG Creations. I am back with a bottle painting tutorial. So for that I need one empty glass bottle, transparent one, and I'll be using spray paint, blue color. So let me make a quick arrangement. I'll just spread newspaper. Friends, my spray paint is dry now, so I will go for the next step. So what I will do, I will just draw one flower. I'm taking one light color sketch pen. Friends, I'm using one round brush number 9, yellow acrylic and red acrylic color for the flower. Friends, I'm halfway done, so I'll go for the next step. For that I need flat brush number 7, little bit of red and white acrylic color. Friends, my flowers are done. Next I'm gonna draw few leaves. So for that I am using one light green color and white acrylic color, and I'm using a flat brush number 5. Friends, my bottle is ready. I have used different color combination this time. I hope you like it. If you like it, please try it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more tutorials. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.